guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay for those that do not know me, and also shout out to my new subscribers. I see y'all. This is part 2 of Baddie B Lashes. I will be trying the new Baddie B Lashes that I didn't get to review on my last video. If you have not watched my last video, make sure you do. That's where I have the first 4 OG Baddie B Lashes, and today I will review and get a first impression of the second batch. So without further ado, here is part 2 of Baddie B Lashes. So as you can see, I already did a very simple, subtle makeup look because the main feature of this entire video will be the lashes. I want to make sure that I show exactly how the lashes will look. So let's try not to make this video super long, straight to the point. I know what you guys are here for. You guys are here to see how these lashes look. The new pair of lashes that we have, Extra, Saucy, and IG. Let's start off with the newest and also the more subtle, even compared to F-Boy. This one is the lightest of them all. If anything, I think, before I even try them on, that these will be my favorite ones out of all of them because, again, like you guys know, I am a subtle and I love me some subtle lashes. So these, even though these are light, the band is thicker than F-Boy, and that's what I loved about F-Boy, that the band was basically non-existent, so it didn't bug me at all. It felt like I didn't have anything throughout the day. Does it have a white hair? Oh, no. I thought it had a white hair. I want to thank everyone who has watched my Baddie B Lashes. Surprisingly, it's doing amazing. I didn't expect it. I'm a micro YouTuber, super tiny, and the fact that many of you liked it, I am very flattered by that. Again, if you haven't watched it yet, I will link it down below so you guys can see all the love that many of you showed me on that video, and why I was so surprised being a very small wannabe YouTuber. Yep, I'm gonna love these. I know I'm gonna love these. Okay, so now I'm going with my trusty duo glue. Hopefully the band doesn't interfere with how much I'm liking them so far. Seriously, it looks like if it has a white hair. I think it does. Ah, it has a white hair. I thought I was tripping. Do you guys see that white hair? Dude, that's crazy. What should I do? I don't even know. Should I be mad? The fact that there's a white hair on my lash? You guys seen I was not lying. Jenny, there was a white hair. I've never experienced white hair in none of my other lashes that I've purchased from other brands. So I don't know how I should react. If it's a negative thing, if it's normal. Have you guys had any white hairs on your lashes? Let me know, because if you guys haven't, then I need to get an exchanged. Okay, you guys are a bit closer, but I just want you guys to see when I'm applying the lash and how it looks on my eyes. Let me do this. Look at that. They're so cute. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God. I think I've discovered my new favorite lash, despite the white hair. This is even making me want to put them in my bridal kit. Jenny, sponsor me now, because the girls that have not yet discovered your lashes will discover them through me. So my email is okay, so the next one that we have in store is the infamous, at the moment, Saucy. I feel that ever since Saucy came out, everyone has been over the top about them. Even myself, looking at these people wear them, they look ideal. They're not too dramatic and they're not too light. They're right in the middle with wispiness. And so far the bands are coming out not extremely thick, but thicker than the one that, again, I fell in love with because of the comfort level. I feel this one would be for like perfect and ideal for a dinner date. Definitely another wedding lash for sure. I'm telling you, Jenny, give me that extra % off. I'm not asking them for free, but give me that extra % off so I could offer them in my bridal kit, because these lashes are perfect for bridal. Okay, here goes nothing. Wow, so wispy. Wow, look at that. Look at how wispy that is. Surprise! Stop whatever you're doing right now, right this moment, and face the screen and pay attention. If you got to this point, I want to say thank you for watching my video and for staying all the way till this point. Unless you were skipping and you luckily landed right where the giveaway announcement was. So the way that this giveaway will work, it's going to be very easy peasy. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, also comment an emoji down below, following it by #done, so I know you are entering this giveaway to enter the chance to win a pair of Baddie B Lashes in the style Saucy. Of course, I had to hook you guys up with the best style that this company has to offer. I'll let you guys know. I'll make sure I comment when I'm about to pick the winner. Now let's continue with the rest of the video. On to the next pair, the bulkiest extra pair in the whole website. These are called Extra, and let me say, they're definitely extra. It doesn't feel sturdy at all. It feels very flexible. Whoa. They're huge. They are huge. What in the world? Whoa. This is definitely bold AF. They don't feel bad. Let me clear that off. Let me clarify that. They don't feel bulky. They don't feel heavy. But the look of them are a little overboard for me. It will take some time before I can walk out with these on me. But girl, I've seen some girls that walk out with lashes like these and oh my god, they look so bomb. But I don't know about me, but I know definitely these suit many of you girls out there. I think they're very bulky for sure, but who knows, I may be rocking these sooner than I think. I'm impressed by how they are. Shane Dawson. I love Shane Dawson. Anywho, this is how they look. Let's do a little video. So this is it. I tried the 3 new lashes from Baddie B Lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it and actually help you in some type of way. If you liked what you've seen, make sure to show me some love and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.